why you drip so hard.
Listen, this be crazy.
Yes, peeps, we're back again with another episode, and as you can see, I got my man Dan in the background with his sick Audi S3 DSG. Yeah, this one's on smoke. So talk to us then, Dan. What is this car then, brother?
This is S3 DSG Quattro.
Yeah.
She's running 321 brake, done by our tech.
Yeah.
She's nearly ready for stage 2.
Yeah.
She's got intercooler, forged intercoolers, forged dump valves. She's just...
Yeah. So it's good to go, innit?
Yeah, she's
good to go. And like I said, obviously, you don't see, not that you don't see loads of 8Ps no more, but to be honest with you, a lot of people have gone to other platforms, so it's nice to see a good example of one, as you can see in the background. So how long have you owned this, and like, you know what I mean? What, have you done some of the work?
I've had it about 3 years.
Yeah.
Obviously, I've done everything most of it to it.
Yeah.
I put BC coilovers on it as well.
Yeah.
Lowered it, changed the rims. Just basically upgraded it from top to bottom.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah. And she pulls strong. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get out now and have some pulls in this. Also, like I said, obviously we got a little announcement to make as well with this car. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna get out in it first and go and get some pulls, see what this car's kicking. We may even get a little 0 to 60 as well if we can get a nice little tidy bit of road. So with that said, let's go for a spin now. And then, like I said, you want to stick around for the announcement because, as I said, this is a sick car. Cool, so then bro, let's go for a little drive. And obviously, so stage 2 this car is, yeah?
Stage 1 at the moment.
Okay, so it's at a stage 1, yeah.
Stage 2.
Yeah, so it's got all the hardware for it, innit? It just needs a stage 2 map, innit?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, because stage 2 of course is about 370 brake, innit?
Yeah.
But we'll see how this pulls now at stage 1 anyway. Let's go then, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, and like I said, we're gonna try get a 0 to 60 in this as well, because we're actually in a DSG one, which is nice because as much as I love a manual, there's an art to it. You gotta drive it, you know what I mean? Whereas with this, it's just push gas and go. And like I said, as I said, man, the 8Ps, man, they're very underrated cars. Yeah, that's kicking nice, bro, innit? That's kicking nice, man. Yeah, and the thing is about it, like I said, I will say, the 8Ps have like a deeper tone to than, you know, the 8Ps versus the 8Bs, sorry. There's like a deeper tone on these cars, isn't there?
There is, yeah.
Yeah, man. So in terms of this car, I remember you having a different set of wheels. You had like the RS3 sort of model.
I put 19s on it at the beginning.
Yeah.
But they rubbed slightly. Basically, they was real bouncy.
Yeah.
It was real hard to drive with it. You couldn't drive fast, because if you had to bump, you knew it.
Yeah.
But so I just changed them over basically and put these on it. Because they're 18s.
And they're running better now.
It's a lot smoother, yeah.
Team Dynamics they are, yeah. So they're not cheap wheels, bro, to do all of this. And like you said, you've looked after it for a while, innit?
Yeah.
Like obviously maintain the service and stuff.
So anything that needs doing, even like little strut races, like everything, it's all done high spec.
And you've got that little temperature gauge there as well, boost gauge as well.
Boost gauge in it, and temperature gauge in it. Yeah, I was going to do that next, but obviously now I've started a business.
Yeah.
I've got to focus on something else.
Yeah.
I can't focus on the car no more.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah, exactly that. I think it's getting to the point now where they're almost like, they're not even old cars, but what they are, they're like in the middle of like being like a classic, but not a classic yet. Do you know what I mean?
That's it, yeah.
This car sounds nice as well, man. There's so much, not like I said, it's like a nice beefy. It just wants to take off, innit?
All the time.
Jeez, man. Yeah, because of that quattro as well. Wow, man.
Obviously got BC coilovers on the
Yeah.
car, so.
Oh, you got BC coilovers on it as well?
Coilovers on it, yeah.
Is that something you put on yourself?
Yeah, I put that on.
Okay, so you've like fully uprated the whole lot, innit? Mate, these are amazing platforms, man. It's like, even just getting in this car now, obviously I drive an Audi, but it's literally just like getting in most modern day Audis,
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
yeah.
It literally isn't like, what age is this car, sorry?
This is 2001. 2011.
No,
sorry.
11, okay, 2011, yeah?
2011.
Yeah, so 2011.
That's a fucking moped.
Yeah, well, this is what I mean. So you think for 2011, yeah, what year are we in? 2026,
26, yeah.
So what's that,
15 years old.
15 years old, mate. Like, you don't feel no little older than like 5 or 6 years,
No,
man. The
yeah.
seats are still good and everything.
There's no rattles or nothing.
Yeah, yeah.
That's just because I built it though from top to bottom.
Yeah, exactly
You know,
that.
even all the bushes are all upgraded.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, nice. So we're going about to hit a bypass now where we can fully stretch the legs on the Audi S3. But so far, man, this is sound. I love the sound of these, man. They just have such a raw, natural sound, and that's why I say like these are kind of like the last ones before everything changed. Not for the bad, but I think this was the last of a great car. Whoa, yes, bro. Oh my god. Yeah. It flies, man, innit? Jeez, man, it has you back in your seat, and this is what I always say to people: 321 horsepower.
321, yeah.
Mate, like, you don't need more than this. Like, I know obviously we can get carried away with numbers. I do it myself, but this friggin' pulls you back like nothing I've. Mate, wow. That's in miles per hour as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro, this is quick, man. The way that gets up to that speed there that I just seen on the thing is ridiculous, man. Fucking don't sleep on the old boy, bro. This car's mad, bruv. Mad, man. You can hear the turbo in it. These cars here are fucking mental, bro. And like I said, for anybody looking for one of these cars, yeah, you're actually selling this car, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And obviously it's had the full service history. You've looked after it loads. The mileage on the actual car, you said, is how much do you reckon? About 40?
On the car is 140 something.
Yeah.
148.
Yeah.
The actual engine has only probably done about, I think it's probably in its 50s now.
50s now, yeah?
Since I've had it.
And you've got all, obviously,
all
the
proof,
receipts.
yeah, I've got proof of receipts. I've got obviously the engine swap. I've got the actual mileage of when it was put in.
Yeah.
So yeah. And when it was all serviced and everything back then.
Yeah. And we're gonna put the price on the screen, but like roughly in the top of your head, bro, like what are you kind of looking for this car?
I don't know, I'd be happy to do for like 7.5 to be honest.
7.5, yeah?
Yeah, it's just time to get rid of it now.
Yeah. And like I said, obviously I've known Dan for years. I know he's had this car for 3 years as well, so everything he's saying with the facts and in terms of the paperwork, down that way, the paperwork and stuff, it says obviously the mileage of the real engine in it, so.
It's got the right out for the, obviously the R-Tech.
Yeah. Yeah, so the dyno printout and stuff. Yeah. But nah, this is a sick car, man. So as I said, if you're after an Audi S3 8P, hit me. Oh my days, bro. Yeah, man. This is kicking. Like Bruce Lee, bro. But like I said, man, either hit me now if you want in this video, or I'll leave a link to your page on Instagram. Yeah. And like I said, man, if this is the sort of car you're looking for, as I said, it's been well looked after. He's got the proof of the mileage and the real engine that's in this car now. Full service history, fully looked after, fully specced out, and trust me, listen to it. Oh, yo, yeah, man, sick. So yeah, it has come to the end of the video. Like I said, shout out to Dan for obviously bringing out the S3. Very, very sick car. And like I said, guys, if you're serious about buying an S3 8P, yeah, honest to God, like I'm not saying this because I'm sat next to him, this is a clean example of this car. He's had everything done on it. If you don't know who Artec are as well, they're the wizards when it comes to the 8P platform, aren't they? Mild stage 1 with a few upgrades, intercooler, downpipe, dump valve, intercooler, so it's got all the works, you know what I mean? Like I said, it's literally ready for a stage 2 map. The receipts as well that he's got supports everything that he said on this camera today. So remember to get in touch with either myself, or as I said, I will leave links to Dan's page where you can find out more information. But as I said, man, I want to say big up for coming out today, bro. You know what I mean? Sick little car, bro. Sick little video. So I hope you liked it. Remember to smash the subscribe button, and next episode coming soon.